Casualty spoilers, Matthew's secret notebook and Teddy's health worry. Will anyone discover Teddy and Matthew's secrets? Pictures, BBC. We had two very different episodes of Casualty tonight. The first centered on an accident with a prison van which left a prisoner, Nathan, Cavan Clark, and a prison officer, Yinka, Beethan Mary James, both seriously injured. Dr. Matthew Afalami, Osia Carifer, volunteered to go to the scene, and when he arrived he was faced with a dilemma over which patient to move first. Either way it looked like Nathan's chances were very slim. The whole scenario, the pressure and intensity of the situation, were giving Matthew flashback to his time as a field doctor abroad. We've seen him having these flashbacks before and Stevie, Eleanor Lawless, discovered firsthand how much Matthew is suffering after he accidentally hit her in the face while he was having a nightmare about it. Matthew did his very best to help Nathan and Yinka, picture, BBC. After the team managed to get Nathan and Yinka back to the hospital, Matthew had to perform emergency surgery on Nathan, and again he was struggling during the procedure. Nathan was a religious person who believed in redemption and ultimately thought his survival from the accident meant that God had a plan for him and would forgive him for causing an accident that killed a child. Will Matthew be able to find forgiveness and redemption himself, though? He has a book which looks like it's a record of everyone who's died on his watch. When he saves a life he crosses one of these others out, as if he has to pay every lost life back with a life saved. These were intense scenes, and a bit of happiness was very welcome. After Marty, Shaheen Jaffer-Goli, got spooked when newish boyfriend Adi, Raj Bajaj, mentioned them possibly moving in together, it took one of those patient speaks the staff members' mind scenes between Marty and Yinka, who was secretly in love with Nathan, to make him realize he should take a risk with Adi in case he was about to miss out on a lovely relationship by being too hesitant. Marty and Adi's relationship progressed tonight, picture, BBC. At the start of the second episode a woman fell while putting up posters about her missing daughter. After she was brought to the hospital the staff were surprised when the missing daughter walked in looking for her, but the woman claimed not to know who the younger woman was. Eventually Teddy, Milo Clark, and Dylan, William Beck, worked out that the woman had had a series of strokes and lost her memory of her daughter. Teddy was very sweet in his support of the daughter as she struggled with a mother who didn't recognize her. He was actually having mother troubles of his own when his mum Gaynor, Maxine Evans, turned up at the ambulance station to keep an eye on him. Of course he has his auntie Jan, Di Botcher, to keep an eye on him already, and she was very firmly of the opinion that her sister Gaynor smothers Teddy too much. What's up with Teddy? Picture, BBC. Teddy is worried about his health. We saw him looking up dizziness, fatigue, blurred vision on the internet and asking Faith, Kirsty Mitchell, about the symptoms. Having his mum and his aunt constantly bickering certainly wasn't helping him. And a terrible accident at Robin, Amanda Henderson's daughter's school made Robin start thinking seriously about the amount of traffic pollution in the area. Expect her to swing into campaigning action very soon, there might even be badges and flyers. More Casualty spoilers, Faith blames herself after Luca is targeted by a predator. If you've got a soap or TV story, video or pictures get in touch by emailing us soaps@metro.co.uk, we'd love to hear from you. Join the community by leaving a comment below and stay updated on all things soaps on our homepage.